Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to set up and use ChatGPT on your Mac. That's right, we're diving into the world of AI right on your Apple device. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future tech tutorials. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, it really helps the channel grow. Okay, so what are we going to cover today? We'll start with a quick overview of what ChatGPT is and why you might want to use it. Then we'll walk through a few different ways to access it on your Mac, covering both the official web interface and some handy third-party apps that can streamline your workflow. Finally, we'll touch on some best practices for getting the most out of ChatGPT and avoiding common pitfalls. So, let's get started. First off, what is ChatGPT? In simple terms, it's a powerful AI chatbot developed by OpenAI. It can generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. Think of it as a really smart digital assistant that you can access right from your Mac. Now, let's look at the easiest way to use it, through the official OpenAI website. Just open your favorite web browser, Safari, Chrome, Firefox, whatever you prefer, and head to chatopenai.com. If you haven't already, you'll need to create an account. It's a pretty straightforward process. Just follow the on-screen instructions. You can sign up with your Google account, your Microsoft account, or create a new one using your email address. Once you're logged in, you'll see the ChatGPT interface. It's clean and intuitive. At the bottom, you'll find the text input field where you can type your prompts. Think of prompts as your instructions or questions for ChatGPT. The more clear and specific you are, the better the responses you'll get. So, let's try an example. Let's say you need help brainstorming ideas for a new YouTube video. Type in something like, suggest 5 video ideas for a tech channel focusing on Mac users. Hit enter, and ChatGPT will generate a list of ideas for you. You can then refine your prompts to get more specific results. For example, you could ask it to elaborate on one of the ideas or suggest different angles to approach the topic. Okay, so that's the basic web interface. Now, let's explore some other options for accessing ChatGPT on your Mac. There are a few third-party apps that can integrate ChatGPT directly into your operating system, making it even more convenient to use. One popular option is a menu bar app called Mention Specific App Name, e.g., MacGPT. You can find it on the Mac App Store. Briefly describe how to install the app, e.g., just search for it, download it, and open it. You'll likely need to connect it to your OpenAI account using an API key, which you can get from the OpenAI website under your profile settings. The advantage of using a menu bar app is that it's always accessible, regardless of what you're doing on your Mac. You can quickly ask ChatGPT a question or generate text without having to switch to a web browser. Another interesting approach is using Alfred Workflow. Alfred is a powerful productivity tool for Mac, and you can find workflows that integrate directly with ChatGPT. It lets you trigger ChatGPT with a keyboard shortcut and paste the results directly into any application. Briefly describe how to install and use the Alfred workflow. This is great if you already use Alfred and want a seamless integration. Alright, now that you know how to access ChatGPT on your Mac, let's talk about some best practices to get the most out of it. First, as I mentioned earlier, be specific with your prompts. The more context you provide, the better the results will be. Instead of asking, write an email, try, write a professional email to my boss requesting a day off next Friday due to a doctor's appointment. Second, don't be afraid to experiment. ChatGPT is a powerful tool, but it's not perfect. Try different prompts and see what works best for you. You can also refine your prompts based on the initial responses you get. Third, always double-check the output. ChatGPT is good at generating text, but it can sometimes make mistakes or provide inaccurate information. Always verify the information before using it in a critical context. Fourth, be mindful of your privacy. Avoid sharing sensitive or personal information with ChatGPT. While OpenAI takes steps to protect user data, it's always a good idea to err on the side of caution. So there you have it, a quick and easy guide to setting up and using ChatGPT on your Mac. I hope you found this video helpful. Remember to like this video if you did, and subscribe to Rome Tech for more Mac and tech tips. Let me know in the comments below what other topics you would like to see covered. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.